Hello friends, welcome you to your own channel Technology Transforming. Friends, in last session we did with our MS Paint thing. Now we are going with advanced version which is uh, 3D Paint, which is options available with Windows 8 and Windows 10. So friends, let's start today's session. Friends, you just go into search and go into 3D paint 3D or 3D paint, whatever you will put the options, the window will open. If you have existing window, then you can from open, otherwise you can click on new. Now you are in the things and you see it's paint 3D. We discuss paint normal paint in last session. If you did not see that video, we will put this link in description. You just go and see that video. Friends, what happened? We have adjust this screen via just press mouse, mouse ball up and down. So whatever screen you want, you can do it. So first we can use brushes, but brushes we required some shape. So what we'll do, we will just use some shapes. Suppose we have this shape. What we'll do, we'll click and then we'll click here, whatever. So this will come automatically. Again, you want some other shape, so you can go into the shape. They will ask you what kind of, if you want make 3D, you can make this as 3D from here itself. So these are the options. Now if you want some another, you just go and just click and just here. Now the brushes thing, you just use brushes different way, but first we'll just use, this is the fill. Again, same we did in paint. Or if you want, you just click and just click there. If you want the blue color, just fill is option already, blue will be inside. So you can use different kind of thing with this. Now we have this marker. You can use whatever you want to write. We have pen. Okay, then we have oil brush. You can use like this. Then we have watercolor. Friends, if you know watercolor, this is the watercolor, means it will as a transparent things. You surely, if somebody is using paints, then they know what is the watercolor. Apart from that, we have spray cane, spray cane, and we can select different color from here and spray, so you can spray the things with the full drawing. So this is the basically a brush and 2D, which you already use in paint, but here is the options are some different ways, so you like to use this. Now what happen, so right now we will talk about what you called uh, this 3D painting. So what is 3D shapes? You just go to 3D shapes, you just take any of the shapes. Suppose I'm taking this, click and then put here. So this will be the 3D shapes. So 3D shapes, you can you can see how it will see. Once you press, you can around this, you can just see where it is, where the view, how is the view, and you can round here and there, all 360-degree. So this is the beauty of 3D. Then we have we have different shapes. So if you want, you can put these shapes top of this. So what you will do, you will do this, you can change color. So what you will do, you just go into the color and put here. So the color will automatically come for that particular shape. Okay, so we can change this color. We can change here color from I will show you how it will be. Just a minute. So you just go here, just click, then you just, okay, I will take new one. So this will come automatically with this color, and this will delete, and this will put like this. So you can make lot of things. Okay, then we can select this, and if we want any effect, we want any sticker into this. So whether you can go here, the option is this. You want like this one as a texture. So what you will do, you will click this, just put here, this thing will select as this texture. Apart from that, you have different stickers. You can use these stickers. Suppose you just click like this. Okay, you can make any of this. You can do this and just uh, just a minute. So yeah, you can click into this and I don't know what happened. Yeah, you can go and just put in this here, and you can play with these around. We have lot of other options. Okay, so what we'll do, I will show you what is the 3D basically. So we'll go into that. This you have to you already understand this. You can put some text. The text will be like, if you want uh, format or how it is, you can select as per this thing. Then this is like, you can select as different style, different shape. You can put something, then it will automatically whatever you want, you do like this. You want like this, or you want like this, or you want like this, you want like this. So you can use different options. So friends, what we'll do, we will just have this advanced options of how it will be. What is that? So I will show you how it is. We have 3D library basically. So 3D library, you can click here lot of things: animal, space, pool, cars, or whatever, biology, or whatever you related to, like so you have different things in this 3D options. So suppose we'll click on dinosaur. So dinosaur will be different dinosaur will be. Once you click on dinosaur, the different, so what we'll do, we'll click into this will take some time to load into your screen. So you have to just uh, wait for load, because we are making this live video and live session. So you will come to know how many times it will be. So once this will be load, you can play with this in different things. Like, see, if you come, this is right now how it is come. This come right now this. So you can size this. Then again you just do whatever you want. What kind of you want? You want vertical, you want horizontal, you want whatever you can do this. And then you can just see all the things how it is. You can make lot of clips, lot of videos, especially for a student who has like project and different things, so they can make this. Then we have canvas. Already it's nothing but you can just rotate the screen. Different rotation you can make it. This rotation you can make it. So this is the canvas. Then we have one, it's mixed reality. So mixed reality is basically you can put your reality based on what you want to see. So here is some more options. So you can like I will show you how it is. Okay, now you want some different style. Right now this, you want something, this you want something. You can try many you can do whatever you want. What is your project? Then you can give like this. You can do different thing. You can like grid something, like it will come like this, it will come like this. So you can different view. And then last you have to do save. Once you will do save setting, it will automatically saved, and it is going to be as actual changes. You can save directly from here. Okay, so right now we are not doing any save from this, so we just exit from here. So now we have as it is, and you can play with this many things. So what you can do, you can is save. If you press save as, you have different, you want image, you want model, you want video, and what you want paint 3D project. So you can save as per your this thing. I already save one video, because if I save video it will take some time, so I don't want to waste your time. I will show that video what we did in our my Hindi lecture. So we'll just save image here, and we once if we want to save, it's you can adjust this size also. You can select JPG image or whatever you want. In video also you have different options. That option I will show you, and where it will be like it will be like E drive, or we will using here. So we are using here. So I want to show you where it will save. So it is save in our E drive, so I will take you directly there. E drive, 3D paint, or if you see what we make it right now, we make it this. Okay, but before that we make one video, so I will show you that video how it will be. You just see. So the video will play like this. Whatever you want to give, it's based on that. So these options I will show you how it will be. Right now I'm closing this, and we'll go to paint again, 3D paint. So what we have options, right? We go to save as a video, suppose. So we can make this mix. We can like swing, we can like it's jump, we bubble, whatever style you will save, it will come in by default. It will settings here this thing. If you want MP4 or some GIF picture, you can use to do with this. So that's all for our today's session, friends, and I hope you like our video. So yeah, you like our video. So if you like our video, and if you want to continue learning some new things, so please subscribe our channel, press bell icon, so you will get notifications of our new uploaded video. And if you like our video, please like our video and share with your friends, and just spread this thing. So we will come with next session soon. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.